Hey Canadian crypto explorers! Over the past few weeks, I kept noticing buzz around a new AI-powered crypto trading tool, popping up in everything from Reddit deep dives to Telegram groups and even YouTube breakdowns. After seeing it again and again, I finally caved and tried it out. The result? Arbivex blew away my expectations. If you've been curious about crypto but felt overwhelmed by clunky platforms or tools that promise the moon and fall short, trust me, I've been there too. I've tested more than a few. Some looked slick, but the moment the market shifted, they couldn't keep up. Then came something different, Arbivex. Unlike conventional platforms, Arbivex is a fully automated AI solution tailored specifically for Canadians. It's intuitive, clutter-free, and ideal for beginners. No prior crypto or trading knowledge needed. And here's the best part. I've got a special invite link that unlocks a private welcome bonus that isn't available publicly. It's a time-sensitive perk for early adopters, so if you're even a little curious, don't sit on it. Links in the description. So what makes Arbivex worth checking out? First off, it's 100% hands-free. Their AI scans the global crypto markets 24/7, spots profitable windows, and places trades automatically. No chart watching, no guesswork, no stress. What about real results? Some users in Canada have reported earning between 150 to 400 Canadian dollars per day, with monthly returns sometimes reaching 70%. Of course, your results will vary depending on market conditions. Nothing is guaranteed. But once you set it up, Arbivex handles the heavy lifting. Safety? Top tier. Arbivex puts security first. It uses bank-level encryption, adheres to strict KYC/AML compliance standards, and is hosted on secure, cloud-based infrastructure to safeguard your data and funds. Getting started? Super easy. It integrates with leading exchanges like Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. Just link your wallet, activate the AI bot, and you're good to go. If you hit any snags, there's Canadian-based support available 24/7. That invite link, it does more than give you access. It unlocks premium tools, advanced features, and a welcome credit to give your account a head start. The smartest part? The AI itself. It's not just following preset signals. It's constantly learning and evolving with the market using cutting-edge machine learning. The longer it runs, the sharper it gets. No manual input required. You still stay in charge. You can adjust your risk levels, set stop-loss thresholds, and choose which crypto pairs to trade. It's fully automated, but you remain in the driver's seat. And yes, Arbivex is the real deal. It's developed by a team that understands the Canadian financial landscape inside out. They're transparent, security-focused, and offer live onboarding sessions, a rarity in the crypto space.